Click on the link below to get price. The Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill is designed with convenience and versatility in mind, making it an appealing option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. This portable grill caters to those who enjoy grilling while camping, tailgating, or hosting outdoor gatherings, offering a combination of functionality and ease of use. One of the standout attributes of the Coleman RoadTrip 285 is its 3 adjustable burners, which provide the flexibility to control the heat across the cooking surface. Each burner operates independently, allowing users to create different cooking zones. This feature can be particularly beneficial for grilling various types of food simultaneously, such as searing meats while simultaneously cooking vegetables or side dishes. In terms of portability, this grill is equipped with a collapsible design, enabling it to fold down easily for transport. The inclusion of large wheels adds to its mobility, allowing users to navigate uneven terrains with relative ease. When set up, the grill stands at a comfortable height, making it user-friendly for individuals who prefer to cook without bending down. The cooking surface of the Coleman RoadTrip 285 is spacious enough to accommodate multiple food items at once, thanks to its 285 square inches of grilling area. The grill features interchangeable cooktops, giving users the option to switch from griddle to grill grates, depending on their cooking needs. This adaptability enhances the grill's versatility, catering to different cooking styles and preferences. To ignite the grill, a matchless lighting system is in place, providing a simple and efficient startup experience. Additionally, the grill's temperature controls allow for precise heat management, ensuring that users can achieve the desired level of doneness for their meals. When it comes to cleaning, the design of the grill facilitates straightforward maintenance. The removable grease tray captures drippings, and the non-stick surfaces make it easier to wipe down after use. In summary, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill presents a practical solution for those who enjoy outdoor cooking. With its adjustable burners, portability, and user-friendly features, it meets the demands of various grilling enthusiasts. Whether for a casual picnic or a more elaborate outdoor gathering, this grill is designed to enhance the outdoor cooking experience without unnecessary complexity.